My name is Tashana Payton, and I'm keeping an eye on campus.
I'm Corey Banks. I'm Assistant Watch Commander, and I secure the campus.
Hi, my name is Ron Warden, and I've been with the campus since June of 1998.
My name is Quentin Morrissey, and my job is to keep the campus beautiful.
Hi there, I'm John Lamb. We work to maintain all the turf areas on campus, trees, plants, landscape beds, and assist in the buildings on keeping things going.
Robert Kerwin. I make the campus look nice.
So my name is Maria, and my station is on the drinks, and then I make sure to all the students get coffee, and then sodas, and then juice.
Hello, my name is Ivy. I'm working in the commerce 14 years.
My name is Lily Terrell. I've been here 22 years. I've been on campus a long time. It's a part of me now.
My name is Damari Scottbo, and I make this campus feel like home.